Next time you have a need for product design at any level, 2D sketches to 3D design to fully detailed part design, Nexus Design is the place to go. Hi, I'm Kurt Wiesman with Nexus Design LLC, and we do full product design and development. Nexus Design is different because we're adaptive. We do adaptive product design. We can sort of jump on board an existing engineering team, which has a very sort of mature sense of what they're doing, a very core skill set, and we can sort of learn quickly and run with them. Or in other cases, we are the development team for a client who may not have any existing technical background. So we're really focused on the overall conceptual development, look, feel, aesthetics, and we're also very focused on making the product work and making the product manufacturable. I like to think of us as omnivores of product design, so we get projects for consumer products, industrial products. We also work on medical product design. This is actually a design-to-part love story. The gentleman who's in charge of Practicon came to us and approached us about an unmet need he felt there was in dental impression gun technology, where you had hand-operated guns, which were mobile, or desktop motorized dispensers, which were not very convenient, not very efficient, because you had to go to a single location. He felt that there was a call for a motorized handheld gun. And so we took this product from basic concepts, 2D sketches, all the way to detailed CAD, detailed product design, assembly, and initial testing. We often do generations of design work. We've done that historically for Thule, the bike rack company, where we've done generations of products. This is a liquid vitamin dispenser. So it takes powdered vitamin supplement and brings it into a liquefied vitamin shot to drink, which is opposed to swallowing pills. And this is an example of consumer products design, where we've done the overall concept, but also all the internal components, all the mechanism components. We have some in-house prototyping capability where we can do some testing, some experiments on what the ideal ergonomics would be for the handle shape and the form, such that this reduces fatigue. And ultimately, we're taking these iterations, these experiments from 3D prints and other models, and feeding that back into the ultimate design, the CAD design and detailed parts. We don't only design parts, we actually help the customers source the parts as well. And we have a network that's based US, Asia. Some of our sources are actually located here at Design to Part, and we'll help connect our customer with whatever they need, whether it's rapid prototyping or full-up production, box build, manufacturing.